So here I have a situation where the axle is stuck in the hub. On the weekend I was hammering the shit out of it, couldn't get it open. I was worried about mushrooming the bolt, may have even actually done that a little bit. I put a tie rod puller on it, and if you can see the difference between the two arms, I shattered the one on the left, hit it with the impact. I went to the Canadian Tire and got a bigger puller, and I'm gonna crank her down and see what happens. Well, it didn't. Getting desperate here. Went and rented an air compressor. Went and got an air hammer. Have no idea how to use that thing. Gonna try and figure it out and get this thing moving. And she's not budging. I've hammered it. I put penetrating oil on it for a week. We used some different pullers on it. Broke one set of pullers. Bigger pullers didn't work. Went and got an air hammer. That didn't work. Tried to heat it, of course. That didn't work. So basically now I have to pull the axle. It's going to be sacrificed to the old car salt gods of Saskatchewan, and I'll take it to a machinist and see if they can press it out. Woo! So of course, I'm like a millimeter too short here. I have to chop that thing off too. Son of a bitch. Oh, and now it's raining. Awesome. This is sweet. Here we go. Always say a little prayer before using this tool. This thing scares the hell out of me. How about we just quit messing around on this thing? Let's get it done. All right, managed to get the CV out here attached to the knuckle and the hub, obviously. Next step is rip out this stuff. This little guy gets to take a trip to the machinist. Here we go.